to ride in them up here in Boston, Massachusetts. She liked to jack them up, like to put a quarter in the back of them. Here we go. Tell her I was born, I stepping on her. Never wash his hair in Georgia. The sunset slow and the stars shine bright. Ray's got me on a little game of kids. You either lived on a farm or wish you did. Jesus always walked us by our side. Where I grew up, we rode and trod. There's a lot about life we learned on the bus. How to find a kiss and club. Those who said to the back just hardly got. We were poor, we were ugly, we were all best friends. We're out bad times if you want to see. Thank God we get more than just one shot. Where I grew up, we rode and trod. That's us on the day the radio on. That's us heading straight into town. Word is done. In the night, I can still see us now, riding down Buckeye Road. It wasn't that long ago. We thought the best of the beer and cake. That's all it would take to be like our old man. Then I saw how it made my mama proud. It was hunting and fishing and Red Sox games. Everything changed. Mama in and out of love. We rode and trod. That's us with our tailgates down in the parking lot. That's us with blood on our tires and rain up. In the night, I can still see us now, riding down Buckeye Road. Wasn't that long ago? Part of my soul. Hey, I gotta talk to y'all for a second. We played a lot of places. I swear to God, everybody in here is singing the words to every one of my songs. So thank you so much for buying my record, y'all. We're gonna sing this last verse. Y'all ready? Down where I was born. Where I grew up. We put a 10-inch lift kit on and they jacked them way on up. All right, this is gonna be tough for them. It's a big word for me to say. We We went around some old Massachusetts back roads with a little whiskey and a Dixie cup. We hope Tom Brady's knee heals up. The fact that Manny Ramirez left kind of sucks.